Blume Global Tax Compliance is one of the top sales tax software solutions out there, but before you decide to buy, there are a few key things you should know. Comparing it with competitors like Avalara and TaxJar, we're diving into the details so you can make the most informed decision. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know is Blume Global's focus on global tax compliance. Unlike some competitors that only deal with domestic taxes, Blume supports a wider range of international tax requirements, making it ideal for businesses with a global footprint. This gives you peace of mind that your taxes are covered no matter where you're selling. Next, while Blume Global does a great job of providing accurate calculations, it's essential to understand that the platform may require more customization for complex business structures. Some other solutions are more plug and play, while Blume Global can take a little extra setup time. The third thing you should know is about pricing. Blume Global's pricing model is subscription-based and can vary depending on the scale of your business. While it may be cost-effective for small to mid-sized companies, large enterprises may find that other solutions like Avalara offer more robust features at a competitive price point. The fourth thing is its integration capabilities. Blume Global integrates with several e-commerce platforms, but if you're running a less common system, you may find that integrations are limited compared to other tax software options that support a broader range of platforms. The fifth thing to consider is Blume's reporting features. Blume offers decent tax reporting, but compared to its competitors, some users find it a bit lacking in flexibility. You may need additional tools or manual adjustments to get exactly the reports you need. Next thing to know is its user interface. Blume Global has a relatively straightforward interface, but it's not as intuitive or easy to navigate as some of the other solutions out there. This can be a hurdle if you're not technically savvy, and it might take some time to get used to. The seventh thing is Blume's customer support. While they do offer support, it may not be as responsive or as accessible as other companies. Avalara, for instance, is known for its extensive support network, which might be a key factor if you're running into tax issues during high-volume seasons. The eighth thing to consider is the software's updates. Blume Global stays current with tax regulations, but there may be delays in updates for certain countries or regions. This could put you at risk of non-compliance, especially if you're working in multiple countries with frequent tax law changes. The ninth point is scalability. Blume Global is designed to grow with your business, but keep in mind that if your business rapidly expands into new regions, you may find it more difficult to manage compared to solutions like TaxJar, which has a reputation for scaling seamlessly. The 10th thing you need to know is about its tax rate database. Blume Global has a comprehensive database, but the speed and accuracy of its tax calculations can sometimes be slower than its competitors, particularly during peak periods when more data is being processed. The 11th thing is its ease of use for small businesses. For small or medium-sized businesses, Blume Global is a solid option, but larger enterprises may feel they need more customization or advanced features that are readily available in other software solutions. Finally, the 12th thing is the availability of a free trial. Blume Global offers a trial, but it's not as comprehensive as some competitors. If you're looking for an in-depth experience before committing, some alternatives may offer more robust trials to help you make your decision. So, is Blume Global Tax Compliance worth considering? It's a good option for global tax management, especially if you're running an international business. However, if you're looking for something more flexible, intuitive, and with a wider range of integrations, we recommend checking out our solution. You can try it for free and see if it's the better fit for your business.